How to enable JavaScript in Chrome Mobile. I'm going to show you exactly how to get this done using just your mobile without any laptop or PC. So right here is my Google Chrome on my mobile device. So at the top right corner, you can see the three dots icon right there. You just need to go ahead and click on it. So right here, you need to scroll and click on settings at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and click on settings like this, then scroll like this and look for where you can see site settings. So go ahead and click on site settings like this. Once you do that, scroll and look for where you can see JavaScript. So looking here, you can see JavaScript below content. So you need to go ahead and click on JavaScript like this and click on site can use JavaScript. Once you do that, you have been able to enable JavaScript. So this is how simple it is to enable JavaScript in Chrome Mobile. Hope you found this video helpful. Now give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.